What is up everyone, Jeran here, hoping you're safe and great. For this video, isa akong Fox, no? And mag-unbox tayo ng isang mouse from Logitech, the Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury Ultra Fast FPS Gaming Mouse. So, let's go! Alright, so let's inspect the box first of the G402 Hyperion Fury from Logitech. So, nandito yung picture ng mouse and it's ultra fast FPS gaming mouse. So, it's marketed as that, no? So, sa side niya, let's have the specs. Ang important lang dito, it's 4000 DPI, it's 1000 Hz response rate, and up to 20 million clicks, no? So, in terms of durability, we will test that out. Also, ang nasa box is yung mouse and documentation. And, of course, kung pwede siya sa Windows 8.1, pwede din siya sa Windows 10. Alright, some other things and details here about the mouse. So, optical gaming center, Delta Zero technology, high-speed engine built to withstand up 420 IPS, programmable buttons, and 4 on-the-fly adjustable settings, no? DPI 240 to 4000 DPI. So, ang daming sinabi pero we will test that out. So, let's open up this box and let's see what is inside. Okay, so let's pull the tab and we can see na nakabaliktad yung ating mouse. So, this is the Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury Ultra Fast FPS Gaming Mouse. And naka-enclose siya dito sa plastic material. So, let's remove that. Inside the box, so you have these documentation, no? So it's written in multi-language, so that's Mandarin, English, and etc. Also, you have the Logitech guide, no? So Hyperion Fury, ano ba yung laman yan? Paano i-install? So you can go to that website and install the software. Color collection, whatever this is, no? So play your way. And of course, yung ating mouse na ergonomic, no? Hahawakan, and it has a nice feel to it. So, it's plastic, yes, it's light, but it feels premium in the hand, no? So, nandito yung sensor natin, and then yung ating pads, no? Para hindi masyadong mag-glide ng mabilis yung ating mouse. And of course, yung ating front, yan, very glossy finished. Also, kung pawisin ka, didikit yung mark ng pawis mo and hands mo, but it's fine, no? Yung ating crosshair dito, I'm not sure what that does, no? And then yung buttons natin here, so 1, 2, yan, and then 3 and 4, no? So madami-dami tayong buttons with this one. So in terms of macro, no, hindi siya nagkulang. So I think that's for the DPI, and this is for depends on what you will be assigning it to. That's nice with this one. Also, we have the grippy finish here para comfortable siya sa hands natin. And then this cable na hindi braided, which I'm disappointed, no, pero that's fine. You can't have it all. Of course, it will be detected by the Logitech G Hub, pero let's install the Logitech G Hub first by going through this link. So, we will go to this link and download it and install it para ma-set up natin yung ating mouse. Alright, here's the Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury side by side with the Razer Death Adder Essential, no? So, 96 grams si Death Adder, and then si Logitech Hyperion is 108 grams. So, mas mabigat siya technically, pero I don't feel the difference. So, let's play some games and we'll check the performance out. Alright, so playing some games, no? So hindi mo mapapansin, actually hindi ko napapansin yung difference with my two mouse, no? Yung Razer Death Adder Essential and Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury. Although may certain learning curve lang siya when it comes to when changing to this mouse, no? Kasi it is a palm type grip of mouse, no? Doon sa mga palm users natin, no? So if you are a claw type, pwede din, although mas mahihirapan ka when it comes to transitioning to this mouse. And of course, yung bigat niya, no? So actually, di siya ganun kabigat, pero if you're coming off from a mouse na magaan like around 80 grams na mouse, no, mas maninibago ka to its weight, no. So yun lang in terms of my uses, no. Hindi ko ma-figure out yung trigger button niya kung saan and kung paano siya gamitin, although it won't necessarily matter naman since games actually use the right click as a scope, no. So most of the games that I play, Valorant, CS:GO, Warzone, so it doesn't really matter to me. So yung other buttons, you can customize into different macros kung anong gusto mong setup o kung anong gusto mong buttons na maklik sa kanya. So it's up to you. Alright, so some final thoughts about this mouse, no. So if you are a palm grip and a slightly claw grip, and then if you want a nice, fast, reliable na FPS mouse, so if you're into Valorant, CS:GO, Warzone, or some other FPS game, so this mouse is very nice for you. Although if ayaw mo ng mabigat na mouse, no, so this mouse might not be for you. So just keep that in mind. So 108 grams, it's a little bit heavy, on the heavy side, no. So yun lang, and thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, just click on that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech stuff like this. And guys, I'll see you on the next one.